It's a new year, and with a new year comes new possibilities and new responsibilities. The two go hand in hand nicely. If you've decided to begin building your own insurance portfolio or even just make some changes here and there, then there is real value in chatting to an expert first. A little sage wisdom will go a long way when it comes to protecting what matters to you the most. Take a look at this.
Everyone has an opinion, everyone has a story, and everyone has the best advice. But trust me, when it comes to making big decisions for your future and your family, it's best that we speak to the experts, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Right, guys, options. Tebogo Lavashni, so incredible sitting down with you again. Now, what value can we expect to get when we do seek advice from a broker?
The broker advice is extremely important because the broker has the knowledge and the expertise to provide clients with the necessary information so that you can get the best insurance that you require. As a client, you may have the knowledge, you may also know what you want, but the broker will be able to advise you with additional information to make sure that you can get what you want.
So then, just to follow on, who then does make the decision on the suitable cover once the advice is given? Is it the financial advisor, the client, and why?
So the client makes the decision, and the client makes a decision based on the advice that the broker has provided, which is why it's so important that the broker provides the correct information. And different clients have different needs. Price may be important to you. Customers' experience may be important to you. And whatever's important to you will allow you to make an informed decision.
What is a business client missing out on if they do not seek the advice of a professional insurance broker?
What the client might be missing out on is the value of having somebody who's independent to provide that independent view, and also to do an assessment in terms of what the client actually requires based on what business they're operating. And then from there, the broker will also go out to source multiple options for the customer that sort of suit that requirement from a business perspective, and also come back to recommend which option is the best one based on those needs that the customer has.
Now I'm all about my wallet, especially looking at the current economic climate. So what are some of those costs that business owners can look at if they do seek their advice, and how does it differ from personal insurance?
Yeah, so there's something that we call commission. Commission is actually a small percentage of the policy premium, and it's paid by the insurance company to the broker. And this commission actually remunerates the broker for the services that they provide. So, it's the advice that the broker provides to the customer, and it's also, the broker helping the customer in the event that they have a claim to make the process a little bit more frictionless for them.
And finally, guys, how important is this conversation when you do have it with your broker to ensure that you've got the absolute best advice and value for your insurance portfolio?
So, Palesa, it is very important to have that conversation with your broker because the broker will be able to guide you through every step of your insurance journey. The broker will be able to advise you of your options as well. As a customer, you may want to speak to an agent because you prefer to speak to an agent, where you also have the opportunity to go digital because maybe you don't have the time to speak to an agent and you want to work after hours and you want to go online. Having the conversation with the broker will allow you to make the decision that best suits your needs.
In addition to what Lavash is talking about, there's also the importance of periodic reviews that happen on the client's portfolio to make sure that the cover that they have still protects them adequately for that business. And the reviews could happen either annually or maybe even on a more frequent basis. And the broker would be able to guide the customer in that regard.
Thank you both so much for sitting down with me this afternoon. Now, whilst your uncle may claim to have some sage advice, you can never beat the word of a trusted expert. So reach out to the Standard Bank Insurance Broker team and allow their expertise to guide you to find the suitable solution that best suits your needs. Visit them at standardbank.co.za or give them a call on 0860 123 999. Standard Bank Insurance Brokers may help you save time and money by protecting what matters most to you. For business and personal insurance, visit standardbank.co.za for more information.